Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. I am Moni from Basic Chemistry Honors first year. Today I am read a chapter Liquid Crystals. Introduction. Liquid crystals phase represent a unique state of matter characterized by both mobility and order on a molecular and a submolecular level. This behavior appears under given condition when faced with characteristics order intermediate to that of three-dimensionally ordered solid and a completely disordered liquid are formed. Molecules in the crystalline state possess orientational and three-dimensional potential orders, that is, constituent molecules of a highly structured solids occupying a specific sites in three-dimensional lattice and points their axis in a fixed direction as illustrated in figure 1.1a. Liquid crystals faces the possess orientational order tendency of the molecules to point along a common direction called the direction n, and in some cases positional order in one or two dimensions as shown in figure 1.1b and 1.1c. On other hand, in the isotropic liquid states, the molecules move randomly and rotate freely about all possible directions. Thus, liquid crystals have been defined as orientationally ordered liquid or positionally disordered crystals that combine the properties of both the crystalline optical and electrical anisotropies and the liquid's molecular mobility and fluidity states. Scheme's representation of molecular packing in crystals B and C, liquid crystals and D liquid state. Classification of liquid crystals. The liquid crystals can be attained either by the action of a heat or a mesogens or by action of solvent on amphiphilic systems. The mesophases obtained by the temperature variation is called thermotropic. The thermodynamically stable mesophases, which appear both on heating and cooling, are termed anitropic, while the thermotropic mesophases that appears only on cooling of monotropic. On other hand, liquid crystal phases formed by dissolving the compound in an appropriate solvent under given concentration and temperature conditions are known as allotropics. Besides, there are some molecules that exhibit liquid phases under the influence of both heat and solvent. Such a system have been referred to the amphitropic. Lyotropic liquid phases are frequently encountered in everyday life, and most importantly, life itself is uh, critically based on such a order fluids. Despite the significance of lyotropic, thermotropic have claimed it relatively greater attention. Firstly, because they are simple to realize and handle. That second, they serve as an important medium in fabricating low power display services. Notably, both kinds of liquid crystals in a part have facilitated to improve our understanding of the supramolecular chemistry driven by the secondary interaction. The classification of mesogens and mesophases have been always a complicated task. This is because over the last 2 decades, a rich varieties of the mesophases have been discovered through conventional or non-conventional or new molecular architecture. Nonetheless, some basic principles are followed to categorize them. First and foremost, I mentioned above, they have a fundamentally classified as being either thermophobic and lyotropic, gives the fact that methods of their realization and therefore the resulting mesomorphism differs significantly. Lyotropic liquid crystal. Compound forming lyotropic mesophases usually consist of flexible lithophilic chain, the tail and the polar ionic or non-ionic head groups. Tail and the head. Tail is an alkyl chain. It is the most cases with 6 to 20 methylene group. Head can be ionic or bilateral ionic and non-ionics. Depending on the molecular structures, solvent concentration of the amiphiles, the solvent and the temperature different mesophases can be observed. Their formation is caused by the separation of incompatible hydrophilic polar and hydrophobic nonpolar parts of the individual molecules. When amphiphilic molecules, which are surfactant, are added into a polar solvent, true molecular mixture exists at a low surfactant concentration. After exceeding a critical concentration, they form a small aggregates with a finite size called micelles, so that the polar groups occupying the interface towards polar solvent. It is a spherically in a shape and the size is normally comparable to a few molecular length. When the surfactant concentration is further increased, micelles can turn to disc-like, cylindrical and plate-like sulfur molecules aggregates which organize themselves into different nematics, cubics, hexagonals, columns, lemmas, lyotropics, mesophases. Typical example of lyotropic phases is formed by dissolution of soap in water. It is a ubiquitous in living matter, and some of the example including the biological members DNA. Apart from the importance in biological system, the lyotropic mesophases are also to significant interest as evident from the first experimental observation of a biaxial nematic phases in a lyotropic system. Thermotropic liquid crystals. Most of the crystals on heating transform into the isotropic liquid phases by simultaneously loss of long ranges positional and orientational orders. If the molecules possess a certain amount of shape anisotropy, then the disappearance in 1, 2 or 3 dimensions of long range translational periodicity in the crystals may proceed or collapse for the long range orientational orders. Such a compounds do not show a single transition from the solid to a liquid, but rather is a case set for transition involving liquid phase with the mechanical and the symmetry properties intermediate between those liquids and crystals. Conventional liquid crystals, rod-like and disc-shaped mesogens, exhibit thermotropic mesomorphism. They are properly known as calamatics and or discotics respectively. For many years, it was believed that the molecules has been long and are rod-shaped, such as the 4-methoxybenzene benzylidene and 4-N-butylidene. However, in 1977, Chandrasekhar demonstrated that disc-like molecules such as benzene 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexyl hexoactoates display mesomorphism. RC1 and RC2 are the rigid cores that are often aromatic in nature but can also be alicyclic. In many examples, these two cores are connected by a covalent bond, and in some cases they are connected by a linking unit. The terminal substituent R and R are usually either alkyl or alkoxic chain. In many cases, one of the terminal unit is polar substituent. In some species, carbon In some species, cases of the lateral units X and Y are incorporated in the main molecular structure. A typical example of achiral rod-like mesogen is a 4-methoxybenzylidene 4-N-butylene. By employing rod-like mesogenic segment, two types of liquid crystals polymers have been reported. They are the main chain and the side chain. The main chain consists of rod-like anisotropic repeating units that form a long chain. In side chain LCP, rod-like mesogenic units are attached to the side of the polymer backbone. Non-conventional liquid crystals. In recent time, a great deal of attention have been given to the generation of self-organized system with complex mesophases morphogenesis. This is achieved by the taylorism, the shape of rigid segment by increasing the number of incompatible units in the molecules or changing the volume fractions of the incompatible segments. These molecules with anisometric shapes that deviated from the conventional rod or a disc shapes are collectively termed as a non-conventional liquids crystals. The general features of a majority of such materials is a molecular structural contrast with the molecules. These molecules are made up of chemical different molecules parts that are incompatible with each other. These are the examples. Mesophases morphogenesis thermotropic liquid crystals. Depending on the chemical structures, that the shape of the constituent molecules and the external parameters such as temperature and pressure, a rich variety of LC phases have been observed. In the section mesomorphism exhibit by conventional climatic molecules is discussed. The mesomorphism of disotic molecules and dimers is described briefly in section 1.6. Some of the non-conventional molecule structure mentioned in the previous section, which is shown are distinctive phases behavior, are discussed in the recent review articles. Calamatic liquid crystal phases and structure. In calamatic mesogens, there are three types of mesophases, namely the nematic, cholesteric, and segmatic, originally classified by Friedel based on the degree of positional and orientational orders. Pneumatic phases. The simplest LC phases, it is the pneumatic and it is generally occur just below in isotropic phases with the viscosity comparable to those of isotropic liquids. Depending on the surface condition, and phases exhibit slightly variable and textures. In the phases, the constituent molecules have no positional order but are know the average orientation about particular direction called the directors. Cholesteric mesophasis. Cholesteric mesophasis is the third chiral variant of the nematic mesophasis and therefore it is also called the chiral nematic phase. It occurs in the system that the constituent molecules are chiral. It also be obtained by doping the nematic LC with optical active molecules. The name of cholesteric has a historical origin. This particular type of liquid crystals organization was observed in esters of cholesterol. In these systems, this is a weak tendency for neck-bearing molecules. As a consequence, in a SMA phases, when an electric field is applied orthogonal in a layer normal direction, there will be coupling of the electrophilic susceptibility to the field, and the long molecular actions of the molecules will tilt with respect to the layer planes. For a relatively low applied fields, the tilted angle varies linearly with the field, and the linear electrophytic phenomena is called the electrolinic effect. Chiral frustrated phases. Chirality efficiency reduces the molecular symmetry, which is strength can significantly modify the mesomorphic behavior. Chiral molecules prefer to pack in a certain manner, but such a structure cannot be adopted everywhere due to the molecular constraint. Blue phases. These are distinct thermodynamic phases that appear over a narrow temperature range between chiral nematic and isotropic liquid phase. In short, pinch. The twisted grain boundary phases. The phases usually appear at the transition from SMA or SMC phases to N or isotropic phases. For the short pitch chiral material, that can be competition between the need for the molecule to form a epihelical structure due to their chiral packing requirements and the need of the phases to form their layered structure. Molecules release the frustration by following twisted grain boundary phase that consists of the block of symmetric layers, the successive layers being rotated by constant angle to give the helical structure with helix axis orthogonal to the layer normal direction. Characterizing liquid crystals, the following parameter describes the liquid crystalline structures. Orientational order measure to the tendency of the molecules to align along the director on the long range basis. Positional order, the extent to which the position of the average molecule or a group of molecules shows transitional symmetry. Bond orientational order describes the line joining the centers of nearest neighbor molecule without requiring a regular specific along that line. Thus, a relatively long range order with respect to the line of centers, but only short range positional order along the line. Each of these parameters describes the extent to which the liquid crystal samples is ordered. Positional order refers to the extent to which an average molecule or a group of molecules shows a transitional symmetry as the crystalline soil material shows. Orientational order, as the discussed above, represent a measure of the tendency of the molecules to align along the director on a long range basis. Bond orientational order describes a line joining the center of nearest neighbor molecule without requiring a regular species along that line. Thus, a relatively long range order with respect to the line of centers, but only a short range of positional order along the line. Most liquid crystals compound exhibit polymorphism or a conditions where more than one phase is observed in the liquid crystalline state. Mesophases are formed by changing the amount of orders in a sample, either by imposing order in only one of two dimensions, or by allowing the molecules to have a degree or a transitional motion. Liquid crystal phase. The liquid crystal state is distinct phase of matter observed between the crystalline and isotropic states. Nematic phases. The nematic liquid crystal phase is characterized by molecules having no positional order but tends to point in the same direction. In the following diagram, notice that molecular point vertically but arranged within no particular order. Liquid crystals are anisotropic materials and the physical properties of the system varying with the average alignment with the director. If the alignment is a large, material is very anisotropic, similar to the alignment is a small, and the material is almost isotropic. The phase transition on a pneumatic liquid crystals is demonstrated. The following movie provides provided by Dr. Mary Nuprican. The pneumatic phase is seen as the marbled texture. Once the temperature of the material is raised, causing a transition to the black isotropic liquid. A special class of pneumatic liquid crystals is called a chiral pneumatic, and chiral refers to the unique ability to selectivity reflects one component of the circularly polarized light. The term chiral pneumatic it is used is interchangeably with the cholesteric refers to the section on the cholesteric liquid crystals. For more information about this mesophase, Semitic phases, the word Semitic is derived from the Greek word for shop. The Semitic state in other distinct mesophases of the liquid crystal substances. Molecules in the phases show a degree of transitional order not present in pneumatic. Many compounds are observed to form more than one type of symmetric phase. As many as 12 of these variations have been identified. However, only the most distinct phases are discussed here. Chemical properties of liquid crystals. Liquid crystals can be classified into two main categories: thermotropic liquid crystals and lyotropic liquid crystals. These two types of liquid crystals are distinguished by the mechanism that drives their self-organization, but they are also similar in many ways. Thermotropic transactions occur in most liquid crystals, and they are defined by the fact that the transition of the liquid crystals states are induced thermally. That is one can achieve at the liquid crystalline states by raising the temperature of a solid and lowering the temperature of a liquid. Thermotropic liquid crystals can be classified into two types: anisotropic liquid crystals, which can be changed into the liquid crystal state from either lowering the temperature of decreasing the temperature of liquid, but no both. In general, thermotropic mesophases occurs because of the anisotropic depression focus between the molecules and because of the packing interaction. In contrast of thermotropic mesophases, lyotropic liquid crystals transition occurs with influence of solvent, not by the change in temperature. Lyotropic mesophases occurs as a result of solvent-induced aggregation of the constituent mesogens into micellar structures. Lyotropic mesogens are typically amphiphilic, meaning that they are composed of both lyophilic and lyophobic. This causes them to form into micellar structure in presence of solvent, since the lyophobic ends will stay together and the lyophobics and the lyophobics and the lyophobics ends extended outwards towards the solution. As the concentration of the solution is increased and the solution is cooled, the micelles increased in the size and eventually collapse. The separation is the newly formed liquid crystalline states from the solvents. A very large number of chemical compounds are known to exhibit one or several liquids crystal phases. Despite significant difference in chemical composition, these molecules have some common features in a chemical or a physical properties. These are the two types of thermophobic liquid crystals, decaustics and rod-shaped molecules. Decaustics are the flat disk-like molecules consist of a core of adjacent aromatic ring. This allows for the two-dimensional column ordering. Rod-shaped molecules have an elongated anisotropic geometry which allows for preferential alignment along one spatial direction. The rod-like long molar mass lipid crystals such as 5-CP shows the following diagram require an extant conformation of molecules which must be maintained through a rigidity and a linearity of the constituents, that is, in order of a molecules to display the characteristics of liquid crystals. It must be rigid and rod shaped. This is accomplished by the interaction of two rigid cyclic units. The interconnecting groups should causing the result compound to have a linear planar conformation. Linking units containing multiple bonds such as these are used since they restrict the freedom of rotation. These groups can conjugate with the phenylaline rings, enhancing the anisotropic polarizability, this increasing the molecular length and maintain the rigidity. Applications of liquid crystals. Liquid crystal technology has had a major effect in many areas of the science and engineering, as well as device technology. Applications for the special kind of material and are still being discovered. They continue to provide effective solution to many different problems. Liquid crystals displays. The most common application of liquid crystal technology in liquid crystal displays. This field has grown into the multi-billions dollar industry and many significant scientific and engineering discoveries have been made. Liquid crystal thermometers. As demonstrated earlier, chiral pneumatic liquid crystal reflected light with wavelength equal to the pitch. Because of the pitch is depends upon temperature. The color reflected also is depends upon temperature. Liquid crystals make it possible to accurately gauge temperature just by looking at the color of thermometer. By mixing different compounds, a device for practically and the temperature range can be built. The mood ring, a popular novelty a few years ago, took advantage of the unique ability of the chiral pneumatic liquid crystal. More important and practical applications have been developed in the chiral pneumatic liquid crystals. More important and practical application has been developed in such a diverse areas as the medicine and electronics. Special liquid crystal device can be attached to the tumors, have a different temperature than the surrounding tissues. Liquid crystal temperatures sensors can also be used to find bad connection on a circuit board by detecting the characteristics higher temperature. optical imaging, an application of optical crystals that only now being explored in optical imaging and recording. In this technology, a liquid crystal cell is placed between two layers of photoconductor. Light is applied to the photoconductor with increasing the material conductivity. This causes an electric field to develop in the liquid crystals corresponding to the intensity of the light. Other liquid crystal applications. Liquid crystals have multiple of other uses. They are used for no destructive mechanical testing of materials under stress. This technique is also used to visualizing of radio frequencies, wavelengths in waveguides. They are used in a medical applications where, for example, the transient pressure transmitted by walking foot on the ground is measured. Lower lower polar masses LMM liquid crystals have application including increasable optical disc, full color electronic cells for computer adding drawing, and lighting modulators for color electronic engineering. New properties and the type of liquid crystals are investigated and researched. These materials are the sure to gain increasing importance in industrial and scientific applications. Thank you.